Hello, I am Dr. Ritu Bhardwaj. I am basically an Ayurved consultant, and we are treating the patients globally from all over the world. Just now, when the COVID time is going on, just now the immune booster medicines are too much in demand. So, I would like to introduce you to our family care clinic products, which are basically on the immunity part. So, we are suggesting all the patients what maximum patients what they are coming. We are suggesting them one morning drink. In the morning, they have to drink in warm water 1 spoon of this powder. It is made of the biogreen of the wheatgrass, barley, and amalki rasayan. So it is a very good antioxidant tonic. But we have this in two form. One is this powder form, and one is this tablet form. So depending on the patient's requirement, means how they are comfortable with, we are giving them this thing. Secondly is our Chyawanprash. This is a 100% organic Chyawanprash made in cow's ghee and with the base of amalki, and it is very good with the ashwagandha, shatavari, shilajit, piplimul, cinnamon. Everything is there in this product. So this Chyawanprash we are suggesting to all our patients to have once in a day. So their immunity will develop in such a way that not only the respiratory problem but any other disease can't happen if you are taking this Chyawanprash. Then we are having this immune booster immune tablets. We have two types of immune tablets. One is with Urdusi. If someone is having too much of cough tendency, then we are giving with the Urdusi combination. And the second is with ashwagandha. But secondly, it is not necessary that ashwagandha shoots to every patient. So depends upon their body nature. We have different combinations for the immunity part. In one part, we are giving the patients with Urdusi, Neem, Tulsi, and Haldi. This is our immune tablet, and the second is with the ashwagandha, guduchi, tulsi, pipli, and yashan. So we have two types of immune tablet which you can definitely give to your families, and they are 100% safe, 100% organic, and they don't have any side effects. So depending upon the basic nature of the patient, they can select any immune tablet. The one very interesting thing we have is our Longines tablet. This Longines tablet, what all are telling about sunt, murree, pepper, elaichi, cardamom to take in the tablet form. This we have in the Longines form, which the patient when he is going on, not patient but a normal person, when he is going for the office part or anything, he can keep one tablet in the throat, in the mouth. So through the throat, the saliva will go and no infection will occur. So I will suggest for my office going people that definitely they should take this Longines tablet, and especially the kids also, because they are too much prone to having chocolates and everything, and due to summer this cold climate, cold things they are having. So this Longines tablets, which is a very good thing for immunity also, and for removing the irritation in the throat. And last but not the least, we have our Alpha Nutra multivitamin, multimineral, and antioxidant tonic. So these are all our different immune booster tonics. It is not necessary that one person has to take everything, but it depends on the people. When they approach to us, we are giving this different thing to all our people. They are having a very strong immune system, and they are not suffering from any throat infection or anything. But it depending on the people, we give them different things, that which combination will go nice for them. So you can definitely try our morning thing, Longines and immune tablet with Chyawanprash, and this 3-4 things combination is a very ideal for the day. Then if in the food you take, whatever food you take, means if it is simple also, it is not an issue, because these all things are really going to create a very strong body for you. So if you have any inquiry, my WhatsApp number will be given on the thing. You can just approach us, and I will definitely answer all your queries. Okay, bye bye, take care.